How to delete your Hoop account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete your Hoop account. So in order to delete your Hoop account, first of all, you'll have to open the Hoop app on your mobile device and then simply make sure you are logged into your Hoop account. Now once you're logged in, your home page will look somewhat like this, where you'll have to tap on your profile icon on the top left corner of your screen. After that, tap on the gear icon on the top right corner of your screen. Now once you've done that, you will be taken to the settings page, where you'll have to simply scroll to the bottom side of the screen until you see the option delete my account. Simply tap on it. After that, a confirmation or a pop-up will appear asking you to tap on the option delete. So simply tap on the option delete, and there you have it. So that is basically how you delete your Hoop account. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.